Hey everyone, it's Marlene Burton. Super excited and grateful just to share with you really quick. First and foremost, I'm here to help shift the frequency of the planet with love and gratitude. And so I've been blessed in my networking businesses. Last night, I was on a leadership call with Nexus Rewards, and oh my goodness, guys. 4 years ago, I was with a travel company, still with that company. I'm building multiple income streams. It was a $20 travel business, okay? Going wonderful. We blew that up. Now we have a $10 system, guys. So I'm not going to try to do the presentation, but I just want to tell you, I have earned tens of thousands of dollars, keeping it as simple as sharing a video. So if you can share this, you can share this. Okay, you don't have to sponsor anyone for a potential 2K, one person for a potential 7K, and 5 people for a potential 22K monthly passive residual income. So they have put together Nexus SNAP. So come see what it can do for you. Just watch the video. Guys, jump in, okay? Jump in. Let's focus on living your best life now. Life is brief and we're not promised tomorrow. So let me know how I can help you. My number is 618-223-6006. My website is mynexusrewards.com/say yes now. Make sure that it has the say yes now. So let me show you the page real quick. There's the video. You can pause it or you can just go to the website and see all the information. Absolutely amazing. There's a flip book there. Guys, you want to say yes and get rooted and grounded, okay? Stay the course. Give it a couple of years. You're going to see success before that couple of years. But stay active and let's change your life, okay? So much they offer here for so little, guys. So you can take a look at it and just jump in. Just say as little as you can to as many people as you can, as fast as you can. A mentor that makes $200,000 a month. That was the recommendation he gave us. So thank you. I appreciate you. Have a fantastic day. God's best.